welcome to today's vlog. I think I'm going to try and do good at vlogging this week. I'm going to try to get at least an outfit of the day every day. But yes, as you can see, I'm just listening to some music on my AirPods because, you know, birthday haul that went up Sunday. Go watch it. But yes, OOTD's coming now. So sure, I just have this white long sleeve West Virginia shirt on because it was West Virginia Day. And I just wore my hair in one braid, so there's that. And now on the bottom, I just wore some ripped jeans from Rue 21 and these like kind of basketball socks from Victoria's Secret. They have West Virginia's on both sides. So yeah. Hey guys, so we just got Chick-fil-A as usual on our Fridays. So I got a number one, and I got a lemonade and some french fries, you know, the usual meal. And yeah, so I'm just gonna eat this. Oh, that was a fail. Epic. And there's still paper on the straw. Let me fix this. Now, it's a great day at Chick-fil-A. Okay, so it's kind of a far back angle, but so as you saw, I was in Bath and Body Works, and it seems like I'm always in there because I always have coupons. So got some goodies. My favorite scent is Winter Candy Apple, so I got the lotion Winter Candy Apple because why not? Foaming hand soaps, and there's a little T-Rex on this one, and it's my second favorite Christmas scent, which is Vanilla Bean Noel. As you can see, there's just a T-Rex on there. So I'm gonna put this in my lunchbox for school. I got a scent for my wallflower, and it's the scent Campfire Donut because it just smelled like pretty daggone good. So there's that. It's not Christmassy, but I got some scents for the car. And this weekend is a pretty good one of my favorite scents. And I got Sweet Pea and Cactus Blossom because I've just been loving succulents lately. But it also smells pretty good too. So I got their new scent In the Stars lotion. So there's that. And I would have gotten the Winter Candy Apple in the bottle, but they didn't have it because everyone loves that scent. And then last but not least, this was kind of on sale, so I got it because, you know, Thanksgiving isn't even here yet, so like, why can't I still get fall scents? It's pumpkin apple hand soap, foaming hand soap. That was my haul, and my Chick-fil-A was delish. So.
You can have some money if you need.
Yep. Bye. Some jeans. Got these pink ones, and I got these, and these, and these. And I've already tried on my short hair, but so far I think these fit me the best because I have fat legs, so, you know, and Rue 21. So here's the second pair I think I'm getting. They're just dark, kind of pretty dark blue, and they have like rips, and they have rips at the bottom. You just can't see them because of my socks. So I think I'm gonna get these. Here's the third pair. I like them too, but I also have these, and these have more rips, so I think I'm gonna like these better. But if they fit, then I'm going to get these, which are on sale, $5, and those are blue ones. But it's either these or those and those. The other ones because they're a little bit looser around my legs, and they have more rips, so I'm getting these. So we left the mall and we came to this Mexican restaurant and ate lunch. And it's a really pretty view. There's the river. There's outdoor seating too. But I already ate, forgot to vlog it. But I got like this burrito thing that had lettuce and tomato and stuff on it. And cheese, you know, the basics. So that's what I got. And then, yeah, I put salsa on it. So yeah, it's really pretty in here and small and comfy and cozy. So we just went to Michael's, and once again I got some Christmas stuff. So my room's definitely gonna be decked out for the season. So get ready for that. And yes, there's Michael's. See you later. Hey guys, so I've been working in the studio. I still need to, this is the background and I really need to work on that. It's got an exercise machine in there and a balloon for my birthday. But my front shelf is looking pretty good, so I thought I'd show you guys. I have a K and then my little lantern I hung. Got it Michael's. So, but it was like 2 years ago. So then down here I have my Christmas tree and my little llama. So there's what that looks like. My tissues, my cactus light, which I actually don't have one. A cat toy, my like pen can or something. Just what my pens are in, and some flowers. Then we have my stationery. We've got paper clips, tape, push pins, like screws and stuff that I have out of things. And then little hook push pins I got. See, you can kind of see them, which are actually really cool. Then I got this little light, which it's solar powered and it's like the Christmas light. So there's that, and there's my other solar light flower. Then I have this little Christmas tree, 2 cactuses, and some books, and then that's just some stuff I need to hang up. So yeah, and I just stuck this little sticker right over because I wanted to put these right there, but they wouldn't stick. And there's my dog. Did you want to go? You want to go outside? Want to go outside? Come on. Good girl. And I'm watering my flowers, but there's my dog. Yeah. You guys, so I just finished filming this week's video. It was already up for you guys, but it was my birthday haul, and now I'm just chilling. She always looks so evil, but honestly, she's so cuddly. And I'm just chilling with my amazing pillow.